it's one thing to unify data, but the real test again is creating that business value. Can you start by just sharing the example around improving equipment utilization by unifying the IoT and CRM and ERP data?
Yeah, so one of our companies, we're the largest Komatsu dealership based in the Pacific Northwest. And so what we do is we sell, service heavy equipment, but we also rent it out. And one of the problems that the company's identified was when a company comes off a rental, what is supposed to happen is that a work order is supposed to be generated for that piece of machine to have a good once over by a mechanic so it can be put out there to be rented and make revenue again. And what was happening was equipment was coming off a rental and just kind of sitting there. So what we needed to do is unify our fixed asset system, which holds the status for each piece of equipment. So when it's on rental, the status is on rental. When it's off rental, it's off rental. Well, so when something changes its status to off rental, a work order needs to be created. Well, that's in the work order system, right? So now what we can do by tying that data in that information together is we can start when looking at companies, when they come off a rental, the clock starts ticking to when a work order is created. Not only that, but when a piece of equipment actually hits our lot, it goes through what we call the geofence. Well, we're bringing data from the IoT location information on that piece of equipment. So as soon as it hits our lot or one of our branch locations lot, the clock starts ticking to get a work order and get that work order done and turn around so it can be sent out there for rental. And what they were able to do by using Power BI and the QuickLaunch system and tying together all this data, they were able to half the time it takes to turn around a piece of equipment when it comes off rental to when it's ready to go out there and rental, more than half off. And they've been able to keep that off because now they're tracking that through Power BI. And then one other thing, sometimes a piece of equipment will come off a rental and it's parked on the side of a road on a mountain pass in Montana, right? So nobody even knows, no one's even aware of it. Well, now they know through the tie-in of all this data that, hey, something just came off a rental and it's 200 miles away, sitting on the side of a mountain pass. Go and get it and bring it back. Right? So that's been helpful from tying all this data together and making them work, and then just counting the time between off rental and a work order.